Hi, I am Lemon and in this video I'll show you how to stream in both landscape and vertical mode at the same time using OBS Studio. If you want to stream horizontally to YouTube while also streaming vertically for YouTube Shorts or other vertical platforms, I will show you the easiest way to set it up using the Aitum Vertical plugin. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Download the latest version of OBS Studio if you don't already have it installed. Then download the Aitum Vertical plugin for OBS Studio. You will find the link in the video description. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Close OBS Studio if it's already open. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the plugin. When the installation is finished, open OBS Studio. If the plugin was installed correctly, you will see a new vertical canvas window. If you don't see it, click Docs. Then enable vertical canvas, vertical scenes and vertical sources. You will now have your normal landscape canvas and a separate vertical canvas. The vertical canvas works independently, so you can create different scenes and layouts without affecting your main stream. Now let's set up the vertical scene. In the vertical scenes panel, click the plus button. Give it any name you like. Create a new scene. Under vertical sources, click the plus button. Add your webcam, game capture, display capture, window capture or any other sources you want. Resize and reposition each source so it fits properly inside the vertical canvas. For example, you can place your gameplay at the top and your webcam near the bottom or create any layout you prefer. If you already have matching scenes in your regular OBS layout, you can link them together. Right-click your vertical scene. Select linked scenes. Choose the matching landscape scene. Now, whenever you switch scenes in OBS, both your landscape and vertical scenes will change automatically. Next, let's connect your streams. Go to studio.youtube.com. Click Create in the top right corner. Then select Go Live. Now we will create two separate live streams. The first one will be your landscape stream. Click Schedule Stream. Enter your stream title. Set the privacy to unlisted or your preferred option. Choose your schedule. Then click Done. Now create the second schedule stream. This one will be your vertical stream. Again enter a title. Adjust any settings you want. Then click Done. You should now have both a landscape stream and a vertical stream scheduled on YouTube. Now open your landscape stream. Click Learn how to use an encoder. Copy the stream key. Return to OBS Studio. Click File. Then select Settings. Go to the Stream tab. Select YouTube. Choose Stream key. Paste the stream key here. Click Apply. Then click OK. Next, open your vertical stream. Click Default Stream key. Then select Create a new stream key. Give it a name. Then click Create. Click Learn how to use an encoder. Copy the stream URL. Back in OBS Studio. Click the settings icon in the vertical canvas window. Open the streaming tab. Type your platform name. Paste the stream URL. Now copy the stream key from YouTube. Paste the stream key into OBS. Then click OK. When everything is ready, click Start Streaming in OBS to begin your landscape stream. Then click Start Vertical Streaming in the vertical canvas window. OBS will now stream both layouts at the same time. Your landscape audience will see your regular stream, while your vertical audience will see the mobile-friendly version. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to stream in both landscape and vertical mode at the same time using OBS Studio and the Aitum Vertical plugin. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.